Str8 Kountry, what's good? Here we go again, back with another video. Bring you guys along, cause guess what? We're about to have a Str8 Kountry cookout, Str8 Kountry crawfish ball. Look what we got on the back of the truck right now, man. Oh yeah, domino table. Yeah, got one of them big boy smokers, big boy pit on here. And we can do this Str8 Kountry style, man. Right now I gotta put some petrol in the truck because I will not make it back to the house. Yeah, hate to do it, but we gotta do it. Y'all see it? Y'all see the branding? Str8 Kountry outdoorsman. So yeah, we outside today. About to do a Str8 Kountry cookout and crawfish ball. Just bringing y'all along for the journey. We out here in Mansfield, Louisiana, my hometown. So let's show you how this country boy get down. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, we finna watch some crawfish.
You can YouTube?
Yeah.
You do? Mm-hmm.
You never seen me on it?
No, it's your YouTube channel.
Str8 Kountry.
Who?
I'm finna show it to you.
Yo, who?
Str8 Kountry. I'm gonna show it to you. Put the camera on YouTube, boy.
Put me there! Get that water on random, bro.
Hold on, bro. I try to leave bag of a lot more. I got the gullers now. Like,
Ooh! Drop two.
oh,
Oh, those things.
here we go. Turn the water on.
Turn the water on, bro. I got these on the ground, buddy.
Yeah, keep them in there, top something up in there.
That must be waterproof.
Nah, you put the water in here.
That's waterproof candy.
Yep.
Oh, you need some waterproof candy so when you drop them. Yeah, when you drop them in there. That was big.
Mm-hmm.
How long do things stay alive with me?
As long as they cold, man, they'll stay alive over a week. You can be alive about 2 weeks. All right, turn the water off.
I would die.
All right.
Turn the water off.
That's enough. I'll turn the water off.
That's good. You put something in there to make them puke up. Huh?
Yeah, they normally try to tell you put some salt and all that stuff in. They don't really do
Oh, let
that.
me go.
They'll knock it, you know, do it just for a little bit. But
This is missing.
But you have to wait till the water get hot and put them in the...
I
mm-hmm.
just grabbed my
Want the water boiling. I really throw them in there, cut the water off. As soon as I cut the water off, they're gonna cook in 5 minutes. So.
I'm gonna want that one.
You know, like them whole country.
Night, morning, day. Get most of them down there. Man, ain't nobody gonna be able to eat them. Ain't nobody gonna be able to eat them.
You gonna go hard.
No, hell no.
Str8 Kountry style. Str8 Kountry style. I ain't gonna be spicy. Cause I really supposed to use a gallon of this. My little associates, you know.
Get back in.
Alright, you go open it up. Keep it open. Appreciate it, little fella. You gonna be on YouTube? Tell them your name on YouTube.
Nah, I'm holding it, bro.
No.
You don't want to tell them your name? You don't want to be on
You my brother will.
My niece. Hello. Let's see what we got.
Jaberta.
That is not Jaberta.
What do you mean? That is Jaberta.
That is Sugar.
Let's see.
What you got, Sheree? Sugar.
Sugar. Yeah, let's go. Man. Oh, I can't even be. You got me, y'all.
Is we tea then? Yeah.
J Real. I said no love, J Rock. Y'all already know.
Micah had yesterday. She ain't gonna get let loose, Micah. Why?
Still confused. We went in yet.
Who the hell is that?
Who is who?
I'm sorry.
I don't know. My stick, I had that night. It's over there somewhere. You know I ain't at home. I ain't got all my shit. I need thee, baby. Wait! Whoop, whoop. Alright. We ain't got no problem.
Watch out. I don't want you getting burnt. Woo!
Hey, the bird. Go to
Kids don't just want a birthday party. No cleanup. That's the birthday of our family. Only at Chuck E. Cheese. For a limited time, birthday card celebration.
Mr. Crawfish King himself.
You already knew it. Straight Country Crawfish King. Gonna let these things ball. Let them ball about 5-6 minutes. Take them out. Let everybody enjoy. Big dads. Real crawfish. Real, real why we over here today, over real. Everybody ding, ding, ding.
That's why I said ding, fucking ding.
Ding. The reason we here though, for real, is celebrate Mark and his accomplishment for passing the principal test. So we just want to know that, you know, that's a big thing, and congratulations, and be proud of you.
Cheers. Salute, 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 my salute.
Don't take a shot and get it.
Shot time.
You ready? I'm gonna let these soak this low. Jersey. It lit up.
That grease dripping on it. You need to put the brisket on that first.
Ooh. Look at that. Straight country style. They got straight country mic over here. Big ump. Gonna get it done. On closer. Out here in the country, having a good time. Even the kids are having a good time. I want to know how many of y'all know about that yard football. Whew. Who on team? Mariah! Mariah! You gonna be on TV? You gonna be on YouTube? What's your name?
Mariah.
Mariah what?
Janae.
Janae?
Mayweather.
Mayweather! We're gonna put your, oh! We're gonna put Janai, Renee, Mayweather on YouTube with Palin and PJ and everybody else. So when we put you on YouTube, we're gonna tell you, okay? Watch this play. quarterback is Peyton, I guess.
There you go.
Oh, fumble! Oh, he got it back. Oh, no pads. No pads. Oh, he fumbled. And PJ recovered at the 1 yard line. And they got the ball back just right. We was at the touchdown. Let's get it. Oh, PJ going. Oh, he got it. Touchdown. Again, it's yard football, y'all. Str8 Kountry outdoorsman. And we are outside today. Let's get it. Have a good domino table.
I thought I done.
No, you did done.
Your mouth on fire. You love this though, don't you?
I need another break.
And I got something here still soaking. You know what I'm saying? Still got something soaking. They doing what they do. Yes, sir. That's how we get down. See them things, they like, hey, that's the real deal, baby.
Yay!
That's what I'm talking about. Go on and prove me, baby. I'm finna over me a crawfish shack on the side of the road. Yeah. Look at that over. Str8 Kountry Mike on the grill. Y'all gonna see him also this hunting season. You know, we getting it set up right now. He gonna bring y'all his hunts and his fishing trips. He doing what he gotta do. A little fire in the back. The grill mouth. Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
There we go. Don't get Michael Wayne by 6 years old. All that motherfucker good boy putting on the hook sitting in the bottom of the water.
Oh man. Yeah, it's on me that cool. Oh shit.
That's that grease, son.
That's that grease off that burger.
Coming off them big burgers.
Coming off the Mundo patty.
Now that's a burger.
That's a burger. Look at that out. That's a burger. Plain broad. The real plain broad. Yes, sir. We'll be back. Getting it in. Oh, you eating crawfish?
Yeah,
First time eating them.
Guess what? Showing up.
I told him you might as well try. Exactly. I told him the same thing.
I don't like how they taste. Hey, I don't like how they taste. Mundo burger time. Give me a Mundo burger, goddamn me. Ooh-wee. Whoop. Yeah. Y'all ain't eating burgers like that. I don't care where you at, you ain't eating a burger like this. It's a Mundo burger. It's a Mundo burger. Hey, it's a Mundo burger. Hey, it's a Mundo burger, baby. Y'all ain't eating burger like this. I don't care where you at, where you are. Nah, you ain't no Mundo burger like this. I gotta come over here and have a seat for this motherfucker. Look at that.
Now that's a burger.
Let me see.
This is a real pounder. This is a pounder. Look at that. That's a Mundo burger. This is my hand. Pad to the burger. This is the bun. That's a jumbo bun, y'all. Look at that. Real life Mundo burger. gonna try this Mondo burger, y'all.
I ain't no way to hear that grind me stuff together like this.
Pass collision plate.
You let you have to call me?
Hey, here.
Just go put your hand on, they be alright.
Here. Dumb.
Now, I bought a whole damn roll of ground meat. He make 5 patties out the salt meat.
Hey,
And it cooked all the way
this is
through.
a 10-pound roll of ground meat. Only got 5 patties out of it. That lets you know how big this is my
But I taste the ground meat is not bad like a medium well.
My wife
all the
was
way
on.
through.
Hold on.
Shit, look.
Oh,
Mondo burger.
Goddamn roll.
hey, that smoke still.
You can't even put your mouth on. Open your mouth.
Hey, look, it was
That's a lot of bullshit.
Mondo burger.
I got that cheese one ground.
Hey! I know.
Take the chains off the door.
Joe Clark.
They coming. Take the chains off the door. They coming. Get my shit.
I do what I can.
I've been in the bush. I've been in the bush. I'll be that thing.
All them buys.